I'm Jemma and you're with me at the Husqvarna Women's Trailride number 4. We're at Sunshine Coast Hinterland at Conondale at Green Park. The sun is shining and we've got 180 girls with 30 sweep riders riding all that this place has to offer. We've got, as usual, demo bikes from Husqvarna, mechanics. We've got the ice cream relay, which is an absolute favourite and a bloody good time. We've got good coffee, the P&C put on some epic food, and Saturday night is live music and Young Henry's Bar, including some cocktails. Track options here are just fantastic. We've got something for everybody, a grass track for the beginners, 2 motocross track options, and so much out in the bush where the girls can really choose their own adventure with a cruisier, easy ride, or they can really bite off some hard sections and challenge themselves as well. The Husqvarna Women's Trail Ride is my absolute favourite event and I'm so happy to be here again.